दाबोलीच्या फ्लायओव्हराचे ते इश्यूचेर फाटींच MP विराटून सांगलें की इट इज जस्ट ट्रायंग टू पुट एन एंड टू दाबोली एअरपोर्ट.
First of all, I only want to comment this much. I will comment in detail at a later press conference. All I want to say is falsehood is being spread. First of all, there is no court stay. The National Highway themselves said in that small section where it is the line where the aircraft lands, that they themselves will have a relook at the whole thing and will sort out amicably between Indian Navy and them, whatever is the problem. There is no stay from the, you read the order, I have got a copy of the order. So first of all, to say that there is a stay and work has stopped is totally wrong. Work is going on at full swing. Only that small section, they have kept it pending till issue is resolved amicably between both central government agencies. One is defense, one is national highway.
No, but why they are not taking NOC then? तो म्हणटालो पळय तो NOC
They
घे
have
कितें.
already applied for NOC long back. They will get it in due course. One thing be sure, nobody can stop any national project. In the past it has happened, it looked like Konkan Railway will stop. What happened? The same people who used to oppose Konkan Railway today travel by Konkan Railway. And Konkan Railway came ultimately. Same way, national highways, many times people oppose. But what happens? It has to come in national interest.
No,
Are
but
we not part of the Indian Union? Are we not part of this great country?
But is there fear for Daboli airport because the way he was saying?
See, this is a ghost which they tried to get even at election time. People did not listen to them. At this point of time, there are more flights landing at Daboli. There are more flights taking off. There is expansion happening very shortly that will be completed after spending another 250 crores. Where is the question of closing Daboli? These are captains of negativity. Captains of negativity, not captains of navy. They like to spread only negativity all around and fooling the people. That's why I did not comment. I actually choose not to comment on such people. It has no value. And you will know it ultimately that highway work will go on. Highway will be completed in best of interest of development, in the interest of the state and national interest.
So that pole and all will not affect the landing of flights.
You go and see where it is projected, it will affect landing. There are taller trees, there are taller electrical poles. All this while nobody pointed out. Only because they feel somebody will get credit. This is their limited thinking. Very sad to say. Very limited thinking. It is so sad to say. Because of that they are opposing a national project. Something which is there in national interest, something which is there in the interest of Goa. In fact, the first phase is from Dabolim up to Queenie Nagar. But in the better interest of smooth flow of traffic, that flyover, second phase is from Queenie Nagar up to Verna Junction, which is required. You see now, once even your Purvari is complete near Okero, all traffic will be blocked at Verna. So that also needs to be completed. I don't know what type of thinking these people have, such hollow thinking. They can only think negative, only think to misguide the people and destroy somebody's reputation.
Thank you.